You can stand up.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jazelle, and today I'm going to be doing the hot, oh my god, my cheeks are red. The hot Cheetos, the hot fries challenge right there. I'm not going to eat the whole bag, maybe just a few. But the challenge is you only get 10 seconds of water. So see my waters? I only get 10 seconds. Oh, I have another one. I only get 10 seconds because it might be too hot, I only get 10 seconds to drink, so this is going to be obviously fun. So let me just open up my hot Cheetos. Wait, Grandpa, are these expired?
No.
This is good.
They're fresh.
Okay, so my first one.
Is it hot or spicy?
I stopped because that was 10 seconds. Second.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Now this is my third.
Let it cool. You still making your video?
It's so hot.
It's so hot. I am smiling.
Is my lips turning red?
No. Mickey's
Okay. I need a napkin because my lips, I think. Wait, guys. I'll be right back.
Ooba, ooba. I'll be right back.
Okay, I thought my lips were turning red. Okay. So 4, 5, 6. This is my sixth one.
You probably like those. You haven't ate them in a long time.
Flame. That's fine. No, that one's only 3, so I have a few more seconds to go. I like gargling. I don't know how many I'm eating.
My little pony.
I need ice. Bro. Can you give me a cup of ice?
Yeah. Drink it nice.
Yeah, please. Okay, guys.
Here's a spoon.
I don't need a spoon.
You just shake it. And taste your pizza. It's warm. It tastes good with chips once. Try it. Warm. Dun, dun, dun. I like hot chips too. Ooh, they're hot. Ooh. Now you eat a little bit of pizza and you'll say, wow.
Wait, I need water. I don't know, I'm drinking water. Okay, I need a napkin. Want my hands. I cannot eat no more chili, guys. That I ate like 13 or 14. 15, I don't know. I ate a lot though. Oh, sorry. Okay, I need. Oh, my hand. Grandpa, my tongue will get the white bumps unless I eat Takis, but not like hot fries. Not hot fries.
All right. Utilities, cheddar, durable, long lasting. Let's save this in case that.
I want that pizza that's in the toaster.
You want that one better? Okay. You can have that one.
What'd you wrap on it?
Oh, it's just for that rug I put outside. I have to cut it.
Why'd you put it on my glue thing?
In case I need it. Say I don't need the rug, then I'll take it back. Let me give you this one.
That tastes good. Yes.
There you go.
The pizza tastes amazing. The hot fries are hot.
Try it. Do you want me to make it more longer? Or?
Wait, first let me eat these.
Yeah, these are softer. I can make one a little more softer. It melts like it's bread. Go all the way up. It slid like a pancake. Pancake.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. These are good to eat because when I eat the Takis,
Mommy,
I got wait. So when I was eating Takis,
yeah.
I got these. Stop it. So I got these bumps on my tongue, like these white bumps, and they were not good, and they hurt really bad. So don't eat Takis. Eat hot fries or hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
And when you're done eating that, eat any kind of pizza. It doesn't matter. Eat pizza.
Bread makes the chili go away. See the bread? Tell the YouTube. Say bread makes the chili go away.
Bread makes chili go away. So if it's hot, eat bread.
There you go. Then it don't get hot no more.
And like I said, it doesn't matter any kind of bread. At least bread. Okay, so do you maybe? So you have to take lots of water, like after, like. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I'm still gonna eat pizza because it's burning my mouth. Okay, bye. Please subscribe, and if you did not see the one where I did a spicy ramen noodle challenge, I'll link that one below. Okay, bye. Subscribe to my channel.